Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and today we're gonna do what fits in this Chanel 19 medium purse in goatskin leather. I recently did an unboxing. I'm gonna link the video down below in the description if you want to see the mud shots of this purse at the end of that unboxing. And we're gonna do what fits in this because this is a medium size, and we'll try to see what fits inside this purse. And it has a Turnlock CC logo with one big space here and a zipper compartment, and then at the back there's a slip pocket here. So we're gonna fill this up with stuff. So I have these two Louis Vuitton accessories from my multi-pochette, and I also have this toiletry 26, and I filled this up. So we're gonna first start to see if I can fit here my toiletry 26. So you'll get an idea of the space. So the toiletry 26 won't fit inside because of the structure bottom, but we'll try to see if this will fit. So this one fits easily, and then we'll see if I can fit another one. So it looks like I can still fit another one, and we'll try to fit my Chanel like this. And then at the back, oh, and this is a Quay sunglasses, and it's a little tight at the back because I filled this up in front. So yeah, it fits 3 SLGs inside, and you can still put your phone here at the back. It's getting heavy with stuff, but the bag itself is not heavy, but if you fill it with stuff, you can really feel the weight. Mini O case, and then my two SLGs from Louis Vuitton, which is from my multi-pochette purse. So let's try to put other stuff, and we'll try to put this. So it has a lipstick, a hand sanitizer, and facial spray. And let's close it, and we'll put this mini O case, and then we'll try to see if I can put this Victorine wallet in. So I'll put it all standing up. So I'll put this all standing up so we can still put space here. And let's try this two SLGs. And let's see if I can put a sunglasses on top. So with small, and a cell phone here at the back. So with small SLGs, it can easily fit inside. And this is what it looks like when filled. It has a structure. This one feels like there's a structure here and here on top, and the rest of the purse is soft and squishy. And let's see what's inside. So it looks like this inside. So I have the sunglasses, the mini pochette, mini O case, and I have this Victorine wallet and Chanel card holder and another Chanel card holder. So these are all what fits inside. And this is my Louis Vuitton sunglasses. So this purse really fits a lot, and I also put the measurement in my unboxing, so just go by that video if you want the measurement of the purse. So at least this will give you an idea what fits inside this medium Chanel 19 in goatskin. And I really like the shiny color that it has, and the leather also is smooth, doesn't feel delicate at all. And I have this Coach toiletry pouch, and this also can fit a lot, and let's see if it will fit in this bag. So this one, because the bottom is wide, it looks like you have to squeeze it in, but it fits as well. So I'm gonna show you the bottom of this is the bottom, and it can fit inside this Chanel 19 medium. So I really like the look of this medium size, as it gives me an option to use big bags as well, since I have smaller purses in the past. That's why I opted for the medium size. And crossbody, it also looks okay to my frame. Please let me know what you think of a Chanel 19 in medium size, because at first I thought that I won't be able to use it, and I thought of that it could be bigger on my frame. But if you are petite, like 120, I'm 120 pounds and 5'4" in height, and I don't see it really big on my frame. But that's just my opinion. It depends on how you view this purse on your body frame. But for me, I find it just right, and I'm also glad that I can put a lot of stuff inside as well. So this is such a pretty purse. It took me a while to really decide to buy this. I initially told my SA that I wanted a small, but end up buying the medium size. I haven't seen the small in person, but this medium Chanel 19 worked for me. This is what it looks like. And I really love the thick chain that it has, and the different color handle, as it looks so edgy, and at the same time it is a classic. So I'm just happy with this. So this is like cross between the boy and the classic Chanel, as it has a structure of the rectangular purse. However, it has this big chains that is more stable on your shoulders when you wear it crossbody. And I also love this extra leather that was placed here. And I also find this purse best if it's handheld. It really looks so pretty when you use it handheld like this, as it has the look of a ladylike purse. At the same time, when you turn on the side like this, it looks so edgy with the thick straps and the different color straps on the side. It is just so versatile that you can wear casually or even formally when you use it handheld. So thank you guys for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day. And thank you for liking and subscribing to my videos, and I really appreciate it. May all of you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!